This is today's word. We're going to look at pronunciation, meaning, forms, practical uses of this word, some relevant questions, and a few synonyms. Pronunciation. Bankruptcy. 3 syllables, bankruptcy. And the first syllable bank is stressed. Bankruptcy. In law, it means when a person or company cannot pay its debt. The court declares such person or company insolvent, and the property of that person or company is sold off to pay the debts. In general, anybody who doesn't have a certain thing is called bankrupt of that thing. So if a person is morally bankrupt, it means he doesn't have any morals. He's bankrupt of morals. Note the of. It's bankrupt of. The word forms: bankrupt, bankrupts, bankrupting, bankrupted as a simple past, and bankrupted as a past participle. Now let's look at a few sentences to know the way it's practically used. Lehman Brothers became bankrupt in 2008. Several businesses went bankrupt due to the Wuhan virus outbreak. The huge hospital bills bankrupted the family. Apart from the financial angle, bankrupt also has other connotations. There is a moral bankruptcy among the terrorists. It means that terrorists have no morals. The government was accused of being bankrupt of compassion. It means the government was not compassionate enough. At a meeting, he suddenly found himself bankrupt of ideas. That means his mind suddenly went blank. He didn't know what to say. Religionists say that those who don't believe in God are spiritually bankrupt. Blind followers of any ideology are bankrupt of intelligence and common sense. That means they're not intelligent and they don't have any common sense. Let's look at a few relevant questions. Does bankrupt mean you lose all your money? No, it doesn't. It simply means the court will help you pay off your creditors. Sometimes it also means you get out of paying them. You don't have to pay them. Your lawyer can help you with that, though. What happens when the company goes bankrupt? Well, the company stops doing business. It winds up its operations. Then, its assets are sold. The land, buildings, plant and machinery, stock and trade, debtors, etc. From the money that comes in, the employees are first paid their dues. Then, the bankruptcy administrator or trustee appointed by the court gets their dues. After that, the suppliers are paid off. And then comes the turn of the secured creditors, those who gave loan to the company against a lien on the assets. Then comes the unsecured creditors, and if any money is left, the shareholders get them, otherwise they are left high and dry. Let's look at a few synonyms here. Insolvency, destitution, failure, liquidation, indigence, indebtedness, ruination, default. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.